Hello, I am Navakadel. I'm going to talk about Gene Watson's theory of human caring. Gene Watson's really mastered the caring science, and she's a philosopher. She's outstanding, a nursing colleague, and she really made a huge difference how we should be providing care to humanity, every patient, and all the way. Our theory is going to last as long as humanity to the eternity. This is incredible. So, the summary of my presentation: the caring science of Gene Watson's and the purpose, Gene Watson's background, 10 Caritas process, Watson's theory of human caring. These are the topics I will be talking. And then let me introduce you who is Dr. Jean Watson. Some of the background of the theorist. She is an outstanding, distinguished professor emeritus and dean emerita. She retired in July 1st, 2012 from University of Colorado Denver College of Nursing. She held numerous positions as dean, professor, chair, instructor, and she gave speeches all over the world, and she's a philosopher and a distinguished person. She developed theoretically the 4 paradigms of caring, and they are person, human being, or individual. An individual human being, that's number 1, a valued person to be cared for, respected, nurtured, understood, and assisted. Philosophical view of a person as a fully functional, integrated. And the next one is the environment. The client's environment contains both external and internal variables. The nurse promotes a caring environment, one that allows individual to make choices relative to the best action for themselves at that point in time. So take a look at this tree on the oceans, on the rock. This is like an environment. We have an internal environment and external environment. The third one is health and wellness of the paradigm. Third paradigm. Health is more than absence of illness. Health refers to the unity and harmony within the mind, body, and soul. Self, as perceived, coincides with self experience. Perception of health and illness are culturally infused and therefore cannot be universally defined. These are the theories. Third paradigm Gene Watson developed. The fourth paradigm is nursing. The practice of nursing is different from curing. Nursing is a transpersonal relationship, includes the 10 curative factors. The goal of the nursing is to help person attain higher degree of harmony by offering relationship client can use for personal growth and development. So the core concept of the Gene Watson's theory, a relational caring of self and others, the transpersonal caring relationship, having a caring occasions or moments, the recognition of multiple ways of knowing, a reflective meditative approach to care, caring that is inclusive, circular, and expansive. Assumptions. Take a look at this parents, bird, how they are raising this chick. Caring is like that. Nursing is like a parenting. Very similar. You do what is right for your chicks. You do what is right for your patients. The next one, transpersonal caring. These are all Gene Watson's theory. Maybe this moment with this one person is the very reason we are here on earth at this time. This is a quote from Gene Watson's, the caring moment. And this is really incredible when we internalize. Let me take you to the next caritas, 10 caritas of the Jean Watson's theory, and there are 10 of them, and I'm going to talk the number authentic presenting. I'm going to present the caritas process number 2, the authentic use of self. This is very relevant to me. I have been a critical care registered nurse for 22 years, total nursing of 24 years. And before even I knew Jean Watson's, the caring was there. But with knowing Jean Watson's theory, it really helped me put the pieces of the puzzle together. It helped me build how I can take my nursing to the different level. And I really do practice Jean Watson's caring in a touching moment every single day with every patient. And being authentically present and enabling and sustaining the deep belief system and subjective life world of self and one being cared for, it centers the intentionality of caring, healing and wholeness rather than disease, problem, or illness. Watson, 1979. It creates opportunity for reflection and silence, promotes intentional human connection with others, incorporates others' values, belief, and what is meaningful and important into care plan, helps others to believe in themselves, encourages others in their ability to go on with life, view person as human being and not objects. Authentic presenting strategies. I practice this every day. I listen with compassion, with open heart, without interruptions. Treat and respect everyone equally with dignity and value, free of prejudices, discrimination, and biases. Just yesterday, with this, I was able to turn around this patient and a family. They had incredible bitter feeling when I provided the care. And she said, "You're the only one who cares." And I told her, we all care, but it's probably a little different. So communicating that we care is important. I just wanted to bring one highlight. In 2017, I was providing care for these patients for 2 days. On the second day, about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, she asked for a crayons, and I gave her a crayons and a white paper she asked, and then this is what she drew, and she gave it to me, this paper. To you, Nava. You are my Saint Bernard. That's what she told me. You are my Saint Bernard. And I said, what is that? Not knowing what Saint Bernard. And she said, Saint Bernard is the rescue dog of the Swiss Alps. That's exactly what she told me. You rescued me from the avalanche. I am grateful for your kindness. And she gave it to me, and I took it, and I showed it to the colleagues, and I asked whether I can take that or not because it was patient. So I went through the process, and I said, I'm happy to take a picture. I took a picture of it, and I kept the writing to her because it didn't feel right to me that was her. It's just because I was working for somebody else. So this is the kind of caring every day makes me go to work for the last 24 years, nursing at the bedside for 24 years and all critical care for 22 years. I'm always excited to go to work, no matter how hard it is, because I know I can make a difference, at least 1-2 person's life that day. And it just feels great. I am never tired also. I don't know what it is. I can go 13 hours without even, I used to go and not get tired. It's just, that's what caring is. And I wanted to show that here again. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed these presentations, and here are the references. And thank you, Professor Boyer. Appreciate it for me to learn all these technological glitch here, and I figured it out here. And it's a lot of learning. By the way, I do work 3 days a week. We have 3 children, and on the day I'm home, fix children's food, and all those kind of things as a dad and as a nurse and a husband. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.